Most people start a business hoping for freedom, but end up chained to their screens for hours every day. The truth is, you don't need a complicated setup to create a freedom. With just your inbox and AI scale stack, you can build a business that gives you both time and income. Here's how it works. Instead of chasing followers or spending money on ads, AI Scale Stack helps you build the most valuable online asset, your email list. This is something you own, something that grows with you, and something that can turn into income again and again. Inside AA Scale Stack, you get step-by-step training that shows you exactly what to do without overwhelming you. And then, you get the Inbox Ignition Pack, 4 custom AI bots designed to take the hardest parts off your plate. One bot helps you create your brand, another defines your audience, a third shapes your email voice, and the last one actually writes your emails for you in minutes. That means you don't need to be a marketer, a copywriter, or a tech expert. You just let the system and bots do the heavy lifting while you focus on living your life. With just minutes a day, you're building a freedom based business that can grow while you sleep. And if you're worried about risk, don't be. AI Scale Stack comes with a money back guarantee. So if you're ready to build a business that gives you more freedom, not less, check the link in the description and sign up for AI Scale Stack today.